Ah yes, the age-old question. Should you use a tag or a custom field to save this data about your contacts? Let's start by looking at custom fields and when you could use them and why tags would not make sense to do these specific things. So the first way that you'll use custom fields is to collect more information about your contacts, because the more you know about someone, the more you can write directly to them and their needs and desires. For example, if we were a coach who was helping busy entrepreneurs build better habits that help them achieve their goals, we could use custom fields to collect information about what they're most interested in learning about, different technologies they've used to try and build their better habits, whether or not they currently work for themselves or someone else, and also what's the pain point that's causing them to want to build better habits. We can also ask them how many books they've read to make a change. Let's set this up, and in doing so, I'll be able to point out some reasons that you'd use a custom field over a tag. To create custom fields under FunnelKit Automations and Contacts, click on Fields, and in the top right, you can see that we can create a field group or a field. I'll click on Field Groups and then create a field group named Segmentation and click Create. And down here, now we can add fields into this field group. So I'll click Create Field, name my field, and then under here, I'll assign it to my new segmentation field group. And then if we click to select the field type, this leads me into the first reason that you choose custom fields over tags, which is that you can save data in multiple formats. You could save data about a contact in a text input, as a number, text area, drop-down, radio button, or checkboxes. And checkboxes allow you to save more than one value for a field about a contact. This is different to tags because when you create a tag, you can only enter text values here. So if you wanted to recreate what we're doing with the custom field and add their interests to a contact as tags, you'd have to do something like interested in productivity and then add that. And then you'd have to create another tag and do interested in meditation and then add that. And this gets really messy really fast. Watch the full video by clicking the link below. If you're not already using the powerful features of FunnelKit Automations, then definitely reach out to our pre-sales team or head on over to our pricing page to see our current deals.